An astronaut. An astronaut travels to space. B. Baker. A baker makes bread and cakes. C. Chef. A chef cooks tasty food. D. Doctor. A doctor helps sick people get better. E. Electrician. An electric fix and electrical wires and lights. F. Firefighter. A firefighter puts fires and saves people. G. Gardener. A gardener grows plants and flowers. H. Hairdresser. A hairdresser cuts and styles hair. Inspector. An inspector checks things carefully. J. Judge. A judge makes decisions in court. K. Karate teacher. A karate teacher teaches martial arts. O. Lawyer. A lawyer helps people with laws. M. Musician. A musician plays musical instruments. N. Nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. O. Officer. A police officer protects people and keeps order. P. Pilot. A pilot flies airplanes. Q. Quality checker. A quality checks if products are good. R. Reporter. A reporter tells news stories. S. Scientist. A scientist discovers new things. T. Teacher. A teacher helps children learn. U. Umpire. An umpire makes decisions in games. V. Veterinator. A veterinator takes care of animals. W. Writer. A writer writes stories and books. An X-ray technician takes pictures of bones. Y. A yoga teacher helps people stay calm and healthy. Z. Zoologist. A zoologist studies animals.